Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: reputation, shards, ticket. Once done, travel to the outer dock. Make sure to equip light armor for mobility. Head to the vending NPC at coordinate X, 42Y, -13 and open the trade menu. You will offer 3 cosmic shards plus 1 space ticket. Accept the swap prompt. While trading, monitor your inventory limit to avoid overflow. If the NPC is busy, queue behind one player and prepare your magnet tool to grab dropped. Once you complete the first trade, you must run the dock gauntlet. You need under 6 minutes to keep the hat drop chance high. You should dodge laser nets and use your magnet tool to collect 0.5 degrees shard fragments because those increase drop probability. After clearing enemies, run to the beacon pad and activate it. This summons the Hat Guardian. You must focus fire and watch its shield cycle. Make sure to interrupt healing casts and then approach the defeated Guardian to claim the space hat loot. You finish by inspecting the space hat, check the stat panel and apply 1 upgrade slot if available. Once equipped, test float and visibility in a low-gravity zone to confirm proper rendering. If the hat did not drop, rerun the gauntlet or search the player market for duplicates. Sometimes trading is faster. Make sure to clear cache and relog if the hat does not appear. This fixes most client-side invisibility bugs. If problems persist, record the error and contact support with your session ID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.